Hello everyone, this is Edgar with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. Let me put that in frame, and today I'll be showing you how to replace your battery on your Bose NC700s. And to get your battery replaced, first you'll need to pop off your ear pad on your left side, remove the mesh. It's sitting on tape, so it won't pull out that easily, but you just rip off the tape, comes right out. And forgot to say the tools we'll be using: Phillips 2.0, prying tool, soldering iron, soldering paste, T6 bit, and I use tweezers. Fat fingers, hard to grab wires. Tweezers make it a lot easier to do that. There'll be 4 screws. I already have 2 screws taken out just to make the process a little easier, so not a lot of fast forwarding has to be done. Pull that screw out, and here's one issue you might come across for some reason: a stripped screw. So this one's stripped a little bit and the T6 will not do the job. Quickest fix for this, especially with the T screws, is go a size up. Here's a T7 that usually does the job, so you don't have to worry about stripped screws. If it's a Phillips screw, you're a little bit more screwed, as they say, because Phillips, when they strip, you got to basically cut it out or use a flat head. It's a process. Just like that, you want to pop up the cup, and here's your battery. You have 3 soldering points right here. Remember, take a picture of the colors, or just remember the colors, write it down so you don't forget. That is very, very important. And this is where the soldering iron comes in. To get clean soldering points, you want to use the soldering paste as well. Every tool you see here, I'll probably said it once, but I'll say it again. You can find it on our website, then just pull off each point. So now when you do that quickly, all the points solder stay where they're supposed to. If you don't put paste on it and you do it that quickly, they'll be touching, and that can throw something off and ruin your headphones or that part, either or. Now we want to pop off the battery. Pops out like that. Toss that one out, grab your new one. One way to secure it, since usually when you pop your battery off, it's a little harder. You got to get under there and pull it off. This one's just been replaced before, so it's a lot easier. But you can place new tape on. Place it back how you see it. It is black, white, red. So black, white, red, just like that. And what you want to do is you want to double check your soldering points, make sure none are touching. Usually when you solder the new battery on, if it's not dead, it'll turn on right away. So make sure to click once, turn it off, just cause if it's on and for some reason something touches, you could ruin that battery. You can ruin something else. Now, when you're placing this back on, the way you remember how it goes is, see there's no space here for the port that you export. Here there's a little bit of space. That's the way it goes down. Just like that. Screw the screws back in, all 4. After that, when you're done, place this back on. Replace the tape if you want. I don't put new tape on just because once the ear pad's on, they don't move around. This mesh does not move around, and this just clicks in like that. Make sure, as you can see, gap right here. Make sure every click is down, and that is how you replace your battery on your Bose NC700.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.